Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on BLACKVIEW Tab 6. So to do this, first you'll need to open any app that allows you to scroll down. If there's no scroll option on the page, then that means you can't take a full page screenshot. Now make sure that you're on top of the page also, and then click on the power key and volume down key at the same time. Sorry, it's a bit tricky. Okay, so we have a screenshot. Now on this pop-up, click on long screenshot and this should begin to... Okay. Let's try again. Long screenshot. Now it works fine. It should begin to scroll down your entire page, and that's how you take a full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.